June 1883, I reached America. When I reached America? 1883. Before that, doing this one, what the other people are doing here in India, we had to face a lot of opposition and criticism, and the extent of people throwing stones and cow dungs on us. Throwing stones and cow dungs on us. Then we reached America in June 1883. June 1883. I reached America and met my carpenter. Carpenter is the name of a lady, carpenter Mawasi. Mawasi means what? Aunt. I was astonished that they did not bath every day. In American people, they are not bath every day. I am astonished, I am surprised why the people are like that. In America, there were many things that I thought were strange and many that the carpenter found strange about me. For example, the carpenters found it odd that I would not sit down on a chair when carpenter was in the room. That means Mr. Carpenter, Mr. Carpenter and Mrs. Carpenter, both are there. When Mr. Carpenter is there in the room, I can't sit in front of him. Nowadays, it will be common. Those days, ladies will not sit in front of any men. Others think like my clothes and my not eating non-veg. Who's not eating non-veg? Anandi Gopal is not eating non-veg food. And what's also very strange for them. When I'm not eating for non-veg, it's very strange for that people. Carpenter Masabi took care of me as if I were her own daughter. How they are taking care? The carpenter taking as her own daughter, they are taking care. She cried like a child when she left me at the women's college in Philadelphia. Philadelphia also is there in America only. Philadelphia also is there in America only. Where Philadelphia. Philadelphia. Shall I write it here clearly? Yes. Philadelphia. I wrote here, no? That's the same thing I'll write here. Right? Philadelphia. Okay? Philadelphia. Right? Then they gave for the stipend. For how much they gave for the stipend? They even offered me a scholarship. Not stipend, scholarship. Okay. They give me the scholarship of $600. How many dollars? Scholarship. How much they are giving? $300. How many years they are giving? 3 years. Understand? They went to Philadelphia and that carpenter is leaving them in a hostel, and 3 years they are giving for the scholarship. For 1 year they are giving for $600. Okay then. The room that was provided me at the college did not have proper fireplace. Those days it's so cold, snow, every houses they are having the fireplaces are there. It's not sufficient to Anandi Gopal. The fireplace emitted a lot of smoke. When lit. You know, when you lit the firewood, there's a lot of smoke. So it was a choice between smoke and cold. Without fireplace, we can't live in the room. So it's so cold. Tried to get another place, but that was not possible as no one was ready to rent a place to a brown Hindu girl. Why they don't want to give her? All people are so white, fair in color, right? Not fair in color, white color they are. They are not ready to give a brown lady, Hindu girl trying to be a doctor. After about 2 years in that place, I had started having constant temperature and cough. Constant means continuously she is having fever and cough. What she is having? Fever and cough. Well, living in an alien culture, weather was always going to be difficult and was ready to face it. So here, once again I read that next para. My health was severely affected by stay here. After around 2 years in the USA, I had sudden spells when I was feel very faint and get a high temperature. The cough and fever is constantly I am having. So it's very difficult for me to live there. Through the final exam, final, I scored through the final exams. At the convocation where my husband was present, it was announced that I was the first woman doctor of India and got a standing ovation. What they did? She is the first woman from India and became a doctor. Everybody is giving the standing ovation for that. It was one of the most rewarding moments of my life. It is the most rewarding moment of my life. So what will happen on reaching India after that one? I returned to India. On reaching India, she stayed at her cousin's place in Pune to receive treatment from renowned Ayurvedic specialist. Where she is going? A renowned Ayurvedic specialist. I'll rub here and then I'll where she came back to India and stayed in Pune. There they stayed in cousin's house, and there they are giving for the Ayurvedic, AYUREDIS, Ayurvedic treatment they are giving. Ayurvedic specialist is giving to Anandi Gopal. However, refused to treat her as, according to him, she had crossed the boundaries of society. What? That Ayurvedic doctor they refused to give a treatment to her because she crossed the country and went outside because of that society. That man is refused. Finally, February 26th, when she died there, February 26, 1887, she died, but is frustrated that all her achievements were in vain. What is the meaning of vain? What is the meaning of vain? Is everything will be vain. VAIN. Vain means what? Waste. No use at all. That is called for vain. Then she was mourned throughout India. Her ashes were to send to Mrs. Carpenter, who wanted to place them in a family cemetery in their own place. Anandiba's efforts, however, were not in vain. To this day, she is an inspiration to Indian girls from all walks of life. It is an inspiration. She is the inspiration to others. She enables us to believe that whatever our situation and circumstances, nobody's dreams are unachievable. Nobody's dreams are unachievable. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. It's not unachievable, and that each of us has potential to achieve whatever we wish to. Whatever I wish, I can achieve that one. So that's why in this lesson we can learn that one: work hard, aim high, achieve it. Today, the Maharashtra government has a fellowship in her name for young women working on women's health. Which place in government? Maharashtra government. That is Bombay. MP. Maharashtra government has a fellowship in her name for young women working on women's health. This is the story of the Anandi Gopal. Anandi Gopal written an autobiography. I explained for the biography and the autobiography and the autobiography. Autobiography is a life written by the person itself. Biography, life written by someone else. So Anandi Gopal's name was Yamuna. Then afterwards her name changed into Anandi. Next one, she got married when she was 9 years. When she got married, 9 years. When she got married 9 years. When 14 years she got a son. An infant, the son has died. So her husband is supporting her to giving the higher education, and she want to become a doctor. From all the others, criticism and opposition, people throwing stone and the cow dung on her, and then they reached America in 1883. They reached America in 1883 in Philadelphia. When she is there, when she studied Marathi. Then afterwards, husband want to join her into one missionary school, but is not able to join him. Then she went to America, and one of the Mrs. Carpenter, Mr. and Mrs. Carpenter. What is the one? Mr. and Mrs. Carpenter. Taking care of her, and they are taking care of her as like a own child, and it is very cold in that place. She is a vegetarian, so the people are vegetarian and non-veg is there. The two is there now, so the people are surprised when she is not eating non-veg. Then she is doing her degree. They completed that one, and she is returned to Pune, India. She's constantly having cough and fever, right? So she came after finishing the a doctor degree, and everyone is giving the standing ovation because the first Indian woman who completed for doctor. Then after that one, they returned back to India and they stayed in Pune and taking Ayurvedic treatment. The person is referred to give the Ayurvedic treatment. And when finally she died on 26th February 1887. And what will happen in India, in Pune, the last sentence I read, no. Government has a fellowship in their name, Young Women Working on Women's Health. Young Women Working on Women's Health. Okay. Glossary you have to read. Then next class we will see the question answer and everything. Before coming to the next class, you people should go through the lesson and understand. I hope that one everyone will understand the lesson. Thank you children. We will see you in the next class.